The Keysight BuyOnLine Store has a cart quote feature that emails you an official Keysight quote. It's a snapshot of the items in your cart. More importantly, it includes pricing, shows discounts and promotions, payment terms, the Keysight quotation number, and how long the quotation is valid for. You will need to log into your account first so your cart can be saved, your email confirmed, and your quote sent to you. At any time you are in Keysight.com or in the BuyOnLine Store, you can access your cart. Click the cart icon in the toolbar to view your BuyOnLine Store cart. Then View Cart to see your cart summary page. On the cart summary page, you can change and update quantities, click the More button to confirm an item's configuration and what is included, see availability or lead times, and enter discount or promotion codes. When exploring instruments, products, or solutions on the Keysight website, there is a Buy button on the product page. Click See Configuration to view the configuration available in the BuyOnLine Store. Key specifications and included options are shown. Click, and it is added to your BuyOnLine Store cart. If any of the BuyOnLine Store configurations shown do not include the option set you need, use the Quote button to purchase your configuration from a Keysight representative or partner. Click the Buy button to return to the store. Or, when ready to get your cart quote, the cart icon, then View Cart. Click the Cart Quote button to start the process of generating your official Keysight quotation. Because you logged in, most fields will be populated, but you can change or edit any field. Once submitted, the Keysight quote will be emailed to you, usually within minutes. The PDF document is specific to you or your company and the items in your cart. Inventory is dynamic, real-time, and may change, but the pricing and terms of your quote are locked in. When you are ready to purchase, log back in and click on your cart. Confirm inventory availability and check out. Once your order is submitted, you will receive an order acknowledgement email. If anything needs to be confirmed, a customer service representative will contact you. Once your order is accepted, you will receive a confirmation email. And when the order ships, an email with a tracking number. And help is always available for assistance with online ordering, questions about products, or custom configurations. Come experience for yourself the convenience and benefits of Keysight's BuyOnLine Store, where shipping is always free.